Hey guys, we are looking at Thursday's Spower Review for this week. Our first question is, what is the largest number you can make with 3, 1, and 3? Remember, we have to start with the largest number first to make it the largest number. So we have 2 3s. Those are both large. So we would do a 3, then a 3, and then a 1. So our largest number would be 331. Count forward by tens. Ready for counting forward by 10, starting at 900. Our next number would be 910, then 920, then 930. Counting forward by 100, starting with 602. Our next number would be 702, then 802, and then 902. All right, circle the numbers that are greater than 325. Okay, so the first thing we can do is look at the hundreds place. Anything that is higher than a 3 would be greater than 325. So we're going to skip this one right now. We're going to skip this one. This one would be higher. Skip this one, skip this one, skip this one. Now let's look at our tens. If it is greater than a 2, if it has a 3, because the rest of them all have 3 in their hundreds place, and the tens place is greater than a 2, it is automatically going to be greater. So we're going to skip that one because that one has a 2. That one has a 1. This one has a 7, so it's greater. We're going to skip this one, and this one has a 3, so that's greater than 2. Now let's look at our ones place. So we automatically know that this one and this one are less than because their tens place is smaller than 2, sorry. But this one right here has a 3 and a 2. Well, it's got to be greater than 5, and 8 is greater than 5 in the ones place. So 328, 421, 371, and 337 are all greater than 325. All right, let's solve these addition problems. We have 5 plus 6 is 11. 2 plus 4 is 6. 9 plus 5 is 14. 5 plus 8 is 13. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 7 plus 1 is 8. All right, use a strategy to find the difference. So we're going to do something that we did on Big Ideas. We're going to do the number line. And we're going to see what it takes to get from 25 to 72. All right, so let's start by going by tens. So we're going to go 10 is 35. 10 more is 45. 10 more, 55. 10 more is 65. We can't go up any more tens because we would be at 75, which is over 72. So now we have to go up by ones. So we have, this would be 10, 10, 10, and 10. We can actually go up by 5 to 70. And we can go up 1, 2 to get to 72. So 1 and 1. So now we have to add this up. 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, 46, 47. So the difference between 72 and 25 is 47. All right, for our word problem. On Valentine's Day, Lewis got 25 cards from his friends at school and 18 from his baseball team. How many cards did he get all together? Remember, when we see all together, we are adding. So we're adding together 25 plus 18. So he got altogether 25 plus 18 is 43 cards. Show 625 on the clock below. All right, remember the hour hand is the short hand. If it is 6, it's going to be between the 6 and the 7. And the long hand is the minute hand, and 25 would be on the 5. Mr. John says he is 2 yards tall. His wife says he is 6 feet tall. If both of them are correct, why do these measurements seem different? Okay, yards is the same as 3 feet. So 2 yards would be equal to 6 feet. They're just using different units. Like we talked in Big Ideas, the difference between centimeters and meters, inches and feet, yards and feet are different. 3 feet equal 1 yard. How many meters tall is your new desk? All right, remember the other day we talked about how the width of a door is about 1 meter. So I would say that your desk is about the same height as the width of the door. So it is 1 meter. All right, make sure that you have gone over your spiral, and if you have any questions that you let me know during our conference before we take our spiral review quiz on Friday.